Hi, my name is Greg Ammerman, Director of Training for Financial Education Services, and I'm very excited to be hosting this short video presentation about one of the timeliest and most important opportunities, especially in today's economic conditions. Now, I just want to give you some brief insight as to how EPN, which stands for Elite Profit Network, and FES, which stands for Financial Education Services, came to embrace each other in this powerful new opportunity. You see, during the course of my 20-year network marketing career, where I've helped create and develop massive organizations that have generated millions of dollars in revenue for both myself and others, I've had the opportunity to meet and align myself with some of the most noted and successful individuals in our industry. In addition, my experiences have enabled me to become a nationally recognized speaker and trainer that has allowed me to share the stage with some of the very best, including the likes of world-renowned speaker Les Brown. I've also authored a few books, including a book I co-wrote with best-selling authors Ken Blanchard, Brian Tracy, and Stephen Covey. I tell you this because I feel very proud to be part of an incredible new relationship between two entities that share so many similar visions. When I initially was introduced to FES, I was so impressed with their operation, their expertise, and their professionalism. But more importantly was the amount of people's lives they were dramatically impacting with their outstanding service. At the same time, I knew the founders of EPN, Rico McDaniel and Keith Fraley, and their expertise, professionalism, and the opportunity they were offering, and with their vision of empowering people with education, awareness, and a real financial opportunity. I just knew EPN and FES could have a great synergy together. So EPN set the wheels in motion and began conducting a thorough evaluation of FES. And I could tell you that Mr. McDaniel and Mr. Fraley are so protective of their representatives to make sure they only get the best of the best that they were going to do all of their due diligence and cross their T's and dot their I's. Finally, after doing their investigation, along with numerous intense conversations with the principals of FES, EPN felt very comfortable and excited to move aggressively into the marketplace with this new elite merchant. Both EPN and FES share a powerful mission in assisting consumers in recovery from these very challenging economic times and in helping them to save money and plan for the future and ultimately changing lives for the better. The EPN founders have the conviction to offer you a better quality of life on all levels, and it can begin right now. So with that being said, let me ask you this. How many people out there today have less than perfect credit? If you're like most people, you probably just chuckled and said, pretty much everyone. Exactly. And I hope you realize that whenever there's a problem, people are willing to pay for the solution. Realize these facts. 25% of the population has a 599 credit score or below. That's about 43 million people. About 80% of all credit reports have errors on them. About 83 million people don't even know what their credit score is and what's even on their credit report. Did you know with poor credit, you could be paying up to 143% more for your car insurance? That you could be paying more each month for your gas, electric, and telephone, plus any additional required deposits. Landlords check your credit and charge higher rents and require larger security deposits. You could be paying higher premiums on your homeowner's insurance. Even if you pay your credit card bills on time every month, your interest rates can be hiked up to 20% to even 30% because of your credit score. Over the course of your lifetime, less than a 750 credit score could cost you from $200,000 to $1 million in interest, higher pricing, and additional fees. Companies may even consider you a high risk as an employee. The perception is you are untrustworthy, unreliable, and irresponsible. Companies have laid people off as well as denied them promotions based upon their credit score. And even with a fair to average credit score, there's a good chance you're going to be denied a home purchase, an automobile purchase, a school loan, a credit card, and maybe even some health care services. So what's the solution? One of EPN's newest and most popular elite merchants, Financial Education Services, which provides the FES Protection Plan Credit Restoration and Positive Credit Builder, which not only educates and coaches you on how to significantly raise your credit score, but works to remove obsolete, inaccurate, and erroneous items from your credit file. We're talking about potentially removing late payments, collections, charge-offs, foreclosures, short sales, judgments, repossessions, bankruptcies, and even tax liens. We have documented results where people have seen their credit scores go from the low 500s and 600s to the 700s and 800s in a matter of months. We've seen individuals that have had significant amounts of derogatory items removed from their credit reports, enabling them to refinance or purchase a home or buy a car. We've seen people have their bankruptcy removed and have their credit score go up well over 100 points. And we could go on and on and on. Now, of course, you may be shaking your head thinking, this just sounds too good to be true. Well, be thankful it is true. And that's not just talk, because this service has already helped well over 150,000 clients. They've been doing it for over 6 years, and they have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. So how do they do it? Simple. They leverage your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, rights you probably didn't even know you had. And this service is not thousands of dollars like you might think, not even close. You get the complete credit restoration service, the coaching, the education, and the positive credit builder for only $59.95 per month. And there's no contract or fine print. You can keep it as long or as little as you want, and you can cancel at any time. But remember, the longer you keep the service, the higher your credit score has a chance to go up. And we want to see your credit score rise above 750. You see, we believe so much in the quality of our service that we confidently say, what does someone have to lose other than their less than perfect credit? Now, a great thing to do is to visit the website of the person that had you watch this video, and you'll see the quality of the service for yourself. In addition to helping people get ridiculously high credit scores, we also, because of the economic challenges people are currently facing and the timing of the service we're offering, there's a huge market, which can create an excellent opportunity to make extra money or to earn a lot of money if that's what you're looking for. There are a number of ways to earn income. You could sell the service, enroll corporate accounts, and build a team of EPN representatives. The company pays out an immediate $15 weekly commission for each sale. And remember, that $15 is paid out each and every month. The customer remains in the program and pays their $59.95. And there's no limit to how many customers you can enroll for the service, so therefore, there's no limit to how much money you can earn. In addition, you can earn bonuses and overrides on all your team sales. So the money is here to make, and we already have people making excellent incomes. Now, there's obviously more to learn about the compensation plan, and we certainly can get you way more details. Another great aspect of our business is our training and support system. We've got conference call training, online training, webinars, local trainings, and live presentations conducted by local area leaders, as well as advanced leadership workshops that take place across the country. So once you get started, you're going to receive tremendous support. So now you know why the person who had you watch this short video is so excited about EPN. Think about this. Right now, credit scores are going down at a record-breaking pace, and awareness and education about credit is on the rise. And as this continues to happen, I can assure you millions of dollars are going to be made. There are no shortage of customers, only a shortage of EPN representatives spreading that awareness. And hopefully that's why you're looking into this opportunity. We're rapidly growing and expanding our company, and we're looking for the right people who want to capitalize on it. So the credibility of our company is not in question. The quality of our services is not in question. The income potential to be earned is not in question. The only thing in question is what, if anything, are you going to do about this opportunity? Maybe nothing. Maybe you'll keep your credit and keep throwing away your money. Or maybe you have excellent credit, which is great, and you just don't see the opportunity. But maybe this makes sense to you. And if you need the service, you recognize that a great credit score can save you thousands of dollars and place you in a much better position. Or maybe you get it. You get it, and you see the chance to capitalize on this huge opportunity to help a ton of people and get paid a fortune doing it. So it's time to make that decision. All you have to do is let the person who had you take a look at this opportunity, which of the following three categories you fall into. Maybe you're in number one. You're just interested in getting superior quality credit, getting a high credit score, and you could definitely provide some referrals. And that's great. Maybe you're number two. You just want to learn more, do a little more investigation, find out exactly how the service works and how to become an EPN representative. And number three, you just get it, right? You're ready to get started. Just show me how. So let me end with this. We all know these past few years have been challenging, but with huge challenges come huge opportunities. We all need to be smarter and do a much better job with the way we handle our credit, our finances, and our lives. And with EPN, you have a solid company that positions you right smack in the middle of that opportunity. All you have to do is recognize it, and act on it. So from all of us at EPN, we wish you nothing but the best of success.